Hey y'all, welcome to HillbillyROandD, and I'm HillbillyRO, and today we are going to make chili. And what we are making chili out of is, I made some chicken sausage, where I ground up my chicken and I made my own homemade sausage. Well, I fried that up on Thursday and today's Saturday. So we're going to turn that sausage into chili. That way I'm not wasting anything. I do have rice I can put the chili over. Or I can just eat it plain. So either way it goes, come on in, we're gonna do this and let's get started. So as you can see here, I got a pot on my stove. And to this pot, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. So I ran out of oil, so I have to grab a new one and get that twisted off. But this is just, it's from things that I have in my kitchen, y'all. So I'm going to put a little bit of oil down there in the bottom. Just enough to coat the bottom pretty good. Now I have a half of an onion that I diced up. I'm going to throw her in here. I might add the other half, I'm not sure yet. But during the cooking process of the chili to let everything marinate, then we'll figure out if we need more or not. So I'm going to take this onion and I'm going to get her looking good. You just want to cook her for a little minute just to get the flavors blended out. And after I finish this process, I will be adding garlic. Because what kind of chili doesn't have garlic? And if y'all haven't noticed, no, I do not have on an apron. I have my Kentucky Wildcat shirt on. Go Kentucky. If you have yet liked and subscribed to my channel, please do so. Mr. D puts out videos all the time. I put out videos when I'm feeling okay and I'm up to it. With winter coming on, I have psoriasis, arthritis, so I have a lot of issues with the weather. And anybody older who knows about arthritis understands what I'm talking about, because everybody goes through it. So I'm going to take this garlic and I'm going to give it a good teaspoon and a half a teaspoon. And you don't want to burn your garlic. Make sure your garlic does not burn, y'all. You don't want to burn it. She's screaming at me. So I haven't been live in a bit. I want to go live to make my sausage, the chicken sausage that I made, because I make it out of ground chicken, and then I add the sausage seasoning in with that. And I forgot to hit record. I started it, and then I thought I hit pause, and I didn't hit pause, so when I went to hit record again, well, I put it on pause. So that's about all the time that's going to need in there to marinate. So I'm going to add this turkey sausage. There's about a pound, maybe a pound and a half in there. And that is pre-cooked, so you really don't have to do nothing to it. We're just going to get her in here, get her warmed up. And it is cold outside, so it's a perfect day for some chili. I don't know if Mr. D is going to do anything tonight. I don't know. He might make him a roast or something. But I'm a proletarian. All I eat is chicken. And I eat a lot of chicken. I eat so much chicken, I'm sick of chicken. So, to this, while this is warming up, I'm going to take some Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to put a couple of, just a couple, like that. I don't measure out stuff, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, when it comes to measuring out stuff, I don't have the patience. When Grandma taught me to cook, and my Mama Nellie and stuff like that, they went by the smell and they went by the smell and not the, you make it your own. You always make it your own. I can't think of the word that I'm trying to use. It's a big word though. But the aroma and the smell is what they always went by. Now I remember my Mama Nellie, Lord, that woman, she raised 5 kids and my day, so 6. And that woman could make beans stretch. She'd make a big pot of beans. She'd say, now Michelle, you only use 239 beans because 240 makes you 240. So I always go back to that. When I'm making beans, I'm like, oh my goodness. She comes right in my head. So I'm chopping up some fire diced tomatoes. That's not a must. I got 2 cans of tomato sauce here. So I'm going to put those in here. And those are just little 8-ounce cans. Yeah, 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce. So it's not inexpensive, not extravagant. You know, it's pretty much what I keep in my pantry. My pantry is literally everything. So we're going to get this mixed in here. And let this get cooking down just a little bit. Now I do want this kind of thick. We like thick chili. So instead of adding some more tomato sauce, I might add another can of tomato diced. So we'll see. So in this, I have hemp seed, I have garlic powder, I have onion powder, I have chia seed, I have some smoked paprika, I have some chili powder, and I have some oregano. And as you can see, the pot's getting bigger. Now, everybody don't put all these spices in their chili. I do. I like spicy chili. This ain't my mama's chili. My mama don't cook chili like this. Mama makes some good chili. But this ain't her chili. I got a recipe, if you go back, of my mom's chili. And that is just, her chili's the best. But this reminds me of my Mama Nellie's chili. Or what some would call Cincinnati style chili. Now, we're going to get some water. Instead of water, I decided I'm going to grab some tomato juice. Shake it up. And I'm going to use about 2 cups. And that should be about it. So 2 cups or half of a container. And this is 46 ounces, so 2 cups is, you know, maybe 3 cups. And this already smells magnificent in my kitchen. Lord, I said chicken. This already smells really good. Now, I will let this cook down. And what I mean by that is I'm going to sit here. Well, I'm not going to sit here. I'm going to put a lid on it. And I'm going to let it simmer for a good couple hours. Even though that meat's still cooked, what I'm doing is I'm letting those spices and all that get married into that chili. So I am going to add some more hemp seed. Just because it's high in fiber, it's good gut health. It's also good for lowering your cholesterol and stuff. And the same with chia seeds. I will add some more of those. Oh, she spit at me all, y'all. She over here spitting. She too high. Y'all, don't be spitting at me, Martha. And I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of chia seed more. So maybe 5 tablespoons of chia seed, 5 tablespoons of hemp seed total. But it's also a filler, and it smells so awesome. I love chili. But most of all, I love ingredients that I already have that are made. And I love the idea of not having to waste anything that's in my fridge. Now this is not a full pot. This is maybe a quarter of this pot. I could have used a smaller pot, but this is my chili and my soup and my stew mix pot. And that is all I'm going to do. I'm going to turn her down. And we're going to let her just get married right there for about 3 hours. Now, y'all, I forgot to add bay leaves in here. So I'm going to take 2, 3 bay leaves and put it in here. I have it on low, so we're going to let it go. Not for 3 hours, but for maybe an hour. Hi, y'all. I'm back. So as you can see, my chili is done. And it is a thick chili. It's not a baby chili. This is a thick chili. So in my house, when we do the chili like this, we turn it into chili spaghetti, or chili cheese burritos, or chili bean burritos. So that is completely done. I did have it cooked. Well, I simmered it for approximately 2.5 hours. But I got a little bit here that I'm going to taste for y'all, which I know Mr. D usually does a taste testing, but Mr. D's asleep. He has a hard day at work and he's had a bad week, so he's asleep, and I'm going to let him sleep. You know, they say don't let sleeping, you let sleeping dog lie. So let's try this. This is hot. I know it's hot because I just pulled it out of yonder. I did end up adding the other half the onion, so I added one medium onion. And I added approximately 2/3 of the tomato juice. Now I don't have this recipe written down because, as I said, I go by smell, and y'all watch the video, y'all seen how it went through, and I'm sorry, but I'm not big with measurements. I'm a hillbilly. Ooh wee. Look at that, y'all. Oh. Ooh. That is good. Now, if you don't like spicy food, don't put the chilies in it that I did. I put in spicy chili. But y'all, that's good. So if y'all like my video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you could subscribe, we'd greatly appreciate that. Now, I'm just an old hillbilly. But I stuck my foot in this. Oh, this is better than whoopee. Oh, wee. I'm gonna finish that bowl. I ain't gonna lie. My fat butt's gonna finish that bowl. So y'all have a great day. God bless. Remember, always say your prayers. Pray for one another. Be humble. Our country right now is in chaos. We need to put God back in a lot of things. And I think that's why we're in chaos. And if you read Revelations in the Bible, it's coming true. You never go against Israel. That's God's country. But on that note, y'all have a great day. Today's Saturday. I think the 4th of November 2023. But that chili, y'all. Oh, Lord. I'm going to gain 10 pounds off of it. I ain't mad either. But I will make some spaghetti to go. And then what I do is I do the spaghetti. I do some chili. I do some beans on top of that. A little bit of extra onion. Some cheese. And some oyster crackers. And here in where I live, we call that a 5-way. If you don't want the beans or the onion, either one, that would be a 4-way. And if you just wanted chili, cheese, and spaghetti noodles, that would be considered a 3-way. That comes out of Cincinnati, North Kentucky, and the area we live in. And y'all, I got to go because I'm going to eat the rest of this bowl. I ain't mad. I ain't upset. But always, 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 no matter what you do, you put God, your spouse, your kids, your family. That's the way it says to do. So I always put God first. I put Mr. D. Sophia is my child. She might have 4 legs, but she's still mine. So I can't pop out no babies. So I got fur babies, and I got Mr. T, and I got Mikkel, my niece. I'm very blessed. On that note, y'all have a great day.